Find the coordinates of point B such that AB vector equals A vector, given that A has coordinates 4, -1 and A vector is position vector with its endpoints at 5, -3. Let us begin. First, we'll try to understand this problem graphically. Now, let's say we have 2 points. One is point A and the other is point B. Now, coordinates of point A is given to us. So, the coordinates of the point A are 4, -1. Coordinates of B are not given to us. We need to find its value. So what we'll do, we'll assume that the coordinates of point B are x, y. Now let's join point A and B with the help of a directed line segment going from A to B. So this is going to represent the vector AB. It's given in the problem that this is a vector. Now we're going to consider another 2 points. Let's say we're also going to join these 2 points. One of the endpoint is O and the other point is P. O is going to be the origin with coordinates 0, 0, and P is going to have the coordinates 5, -3. It's given here that the point P, whose coordinates is 5, -3, has the position vector A. In other words, OP vector is A vector, which is essentially saying the same thing, that AB vector equals OP vector. So using this information, we need to find out the coordinates of point B. Okay, now we'll be using the fact that AB vector will be equals to A vector, and that's equals to OP vector. So here, your AB vector. So AB vector is simply obtained by taking the difference of the coordinates. That means we can express AB vector as the difference of the x coordinate, multiply it with I cap, add it to difference of the y coordinate and multiply with j cap. Let's try to find out the difference of the x coordinate since we're trying to find out AB vector. So here B is going to be the endpoint and A is going to be the initial point, which means our difference of the x coordinate is going to be x minus 4, the final minus the initial point. For the y coordinate, we will take y minus -1, so we get y plus 1. And this is going to be equals to OP vector. Now OP vector, since O is the origin and P has the coordinates 5, -3, it's simply going to be 5 I cap minus 3 j cap. Now what we can do, we can compare both sides, and that's going to give us x minus 4 equals to 5 and y plus 1 equals to -3. Let's find out this value. So x is going to be equals to 9 and y will be equals to -4. So we have successfully obtained the value of x and y. So thus the coordinates of point B will be 9, -4.